Hey guys, so sorry I haven't made a video lately. So here I'm going to do the chain trick. I have a little bottle right here and a chain. And what you're going to do, you're going to get the chain, slowly put it into the bottle. Then you're going to leave just a little bit hanging out of the edge. You grab that edge and go. And it kind of makes a waterfall. I'll try it again. Or I'll do it again. Sorry if you can't see, it's kind of late. So, that didn't work that well, but I'll do it one last time. There. So, I hope you liked this video. I might make it another one, but when it's brighter, so you can see better. So, see you guys.